Morning. Please come over and stand close. Well, good morning to all of you. Thanks for coming. I have some folks I want to introduce before I make a statement. Of course, Judge Eric Brown and his wife Marilyn. Over here, holding the little one, is his daughter Burl and her husband Andy. And where's Vincent?
Right here.
Here's Vincent. He is 5 1/2 years old. Max is 3 1/2 years old. And Alec cannot speak for himself, but he's 6 weeks old. And Marilyn and the judge have another daughter, Darren, who is in New York. Chief Justice Moyer was a thoughtful voice on the Ohio Supreme Court. At a time when many officials endure the day-to-day work of public service because they, quite frankly, love a good political fight, Tom Moyer endured the politics so that he could serve the people. With Chief Justice Moyer's untimely passing, I am left with the duty of filling his seat and providing the people of Ohio with a new leader for our top court. 3 months ago, I had the privilege of standing beside Judge Eric Brown to express my strong support as he announced his candidacy for Chief Justice of the Ohio Supreme Court. I had in fact encouraged Judge Brown to run for our top judicial office because of his lifelong record of public service. I supported Judge Brown because I felt that he would bring an impartial voice to the court and that he would respect our Constitution and our laws. So for those very same reasons, I thought Judge Brown was an outstanding candidate for Chief Justice. I have decided to appoint Judge Brown to fill the remaining term of Chief Justice Moyer. Public service is not an afterthought in Judge Brown's life. It has been his defining purpose. As a product of Ohio's public schools and as a Cleveland State University graduate, Eric Brown has profoundly come to understand the central role that education plays in the life of Ohioans. In fact, he was a long-term member of the local school board, first elected when he was only 24 years of age. Working in the Ohio Attorney General's office, Eric Brown has served under both Democratic and Republican leadership as he led efforts to protect Ohioans from consumer fraud and to hold tobacco companies accountable. As a common pleas court judge, Judge Brown presided over thousands of criminal and civil cases. As a probate court judge, Judge Brown has helped families dealing with some of the most sensitive legal difficulties in our justice system. In both public service and as a small business person, he has strong management experience. More than what he's done, Judge Brown belongs on the Ohio Supreme Court because of what he will do. Eric Brown will bring an independent voice to the court, and he will always remember how the court affects the working men and women of Ohio. So it is now my great pleasure to introduce Chief Justice Designate Eric Brown.